What's up, guys? I'm back. So I got another one. So I know y'all been wondering what the heck was in that Walmart box that I got. So we are about to unbox it. Let's find out what was in this box. Here we go. The kids are along for the unboxing. Of course, they want to go and pop that bubble wrap. Fine by me. So, the first thing that was inside, and I don't know why I thought that there was going to be a picture, but apparently there's not. Anyway, this is like one of those sets, extension brush sets to clean the bathroom. Well, it's just about any place in the house, really. I know I had that Clorox one before, but it was for temporary use as, of course, I no longer have it. It didn't last very long. So I bought a more permanent solution. This one comes with more pieces. So that's what was in box number one. And then box number two is a over the sink dish rack. Now I'm not going to open this right now because as you can see, it is going to require being put together. So yeah, when I get ready to put it together, I will come back and show you guys. So, but yeah, so this is what was in the Walmart box. Thank y'all for watching. Later.